Hello guys, welcome to our channel TechnoUniverse. Where do you think the world's wealthiest man should live? Without any doubt, he should live in an immense mansion that competes anything held by an all-powerful monarch. The truth, on the other hand, may amuse you a little. Let's take a look at where Elon Musk lives. His previous residences until 2020, Musk had substantial real estate holdings. After renting the colonial-style property for 2 years and living there with his boys, he bought his piece of Bel-Air real estate for $17 million in late 2012. The house has 7 bedrooms and a total of 20,248 square feet of space divided into different sections. On the premises, there is also a 2-story library. The backyard features a large pool, a tennis court, and a view of the prestigious Bel-Air Country Club. He bought a $6.75 million home on the same block in October 2013. As part of his buying spree in 2015 and 2016, he purchased 2 more Bel-Air properties, ranch, and an unfinished palace. In July 2015, Musk paid $4.3 million for another Los Angeles property, but it appears that he did not properly maintain it. Musk and his ex-wife Tallulah Riley once had a boomerang-shaped mansion in Brentwood, California, some 15 miles northwest of downtown Los Angeles. According to Variety, the couple spent about $3.7 million on it in 2014. In August of this year, he sold the mansion for $4 million. His last California property is in San Francisco Bay Area, close to Tesla's Fremont facility. The 100-year-old 16,000-square-foot Mediterranean-style estate is located in the ritzy Bay Area neighborhood of Hillsborough and features 10 bedrooms, bay vistas, hiking trails, and a ballroom. Musk bought it for $23.4 million in June 2017 and listed it on Zillow for $35 million. The property was eventually sold for $37.5 million. Moving to Texas, Musk packed his belongings and relocated there, which has no personal income tax. California, on the other hand, has the highest income tax rate in the country for its wealthiest residents. A half-hour drive from Boca Chica, where SpaceX established its rocket site for Starship, has plenty of opulent mansions. Musk's decision to sell the mansion is also motivated by the fact that, according to ProPublica investigation, American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, and others pay far less than fair share of taxes and in some cases pay none at all. However, the world's second richest man claims that he has instead chosen to rent a small home for $50,000 from his company near the manufacturing site. Elon Musk has initiated construction on his space colony near Boca Chica, Texas. Many of Musk's outlandish ideas have gone off while others have failed miserably. Based on his previous performance, Musk appears to be capable of establishing Starbase on the contrary. Until Elon Musk built a SpaceX launch pad in the secluded seaside hamlet in the southernmost section of Texas, life in the area was peaceful. He had been focused on Boca Chica for over a year and stated in March that he planned to rename it Starbase. For its satellite-based internet service, SpaceX is now constructing a new plant in Texas. According to some residents, Musk's company used harsh tactics to evict some neighbors or force them to sell their homes to make room for the plant. Musk originally stated his plans to sell his homes and most of his belongings more than a year ago as a way to deflect criticism of his fortune, and he listed 2 of his California mansions on the market within days. Musk has access to all of SpaceX's innovations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as the company pushes forward with its mission to send humans to Mars by living on the planet. Musk is known for putting himself in the middle of things to demonstrate his commitment to his companies. He sleeps in Tesla's factories. His idea of a manufacturing line of exclusively reusable launch vehicles takes priority above any wish for magnificence. Reducing his home is an image for downsizing his life so that he may concentrate on his goals. Since Musk pushed for people to migrate to Boca Chica and announced SpaceX will have thousands of employment positions in the next several years, the value of the real estate in the region has skyrocketed. Boca Chica is a small town. Only about 40 people live there, and there are no stores, restaurants, or even water pipes because water is delivered by truck. The majority of the residents are retirees who come to spend their winters here. South Texas is important to SpaceX because of its proximity to the equator, which allows rockets to travel faster owing to the Earth's rotation. For the last 2 decades, it has operated a rocket engine testing facility north of Austin. Since posting a job for a resort development manager in 2020, SpaceX has intimated that it plans to turn the Boca Chica area into a resort. The windows and walls of this new home open up to reveal a 400 square foot interior with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living area. It was created by a company called Boxable, which has said nothing about Musk's living situation. Boxable is a company that creates foldable, low-cost housing for anyone who wants it, and they're steadily gaining popularity, especially when Elon Musk moved into one of their creations. The movable dwelling starts at $49,500 and are light enough to be pulled by a Model X, which is twice as expensive. This figure excludes expenses for landscaping permits and utility hookups such as power and water. Still, it's not like Musk lacks the financial means to fill in the blanks. Boxable houses aren't exactly lavish by design. They might be a little plain at first, but owners can make them their own. Musk has also been spotted at a home in Boca Chica, a hamlet near SpaceX's headquarters. The CEO has been spotted staying at this mansion, which was rebuilt by SpaceX and is considered one of the best in the area. It was listed for $47,000 in 2020 and is now worth more than 3 times that, according to the Wall Street Journal. Factory-built boxable dwellings may be folded into a normal shipping container. They're made of steel, concrete, and foam, and are the culmination of years of experimentation to discover non-degradable materials. The walls, floors, and roof are all made of laminated panels. The modules are legal for highway travel and shipping will be free in Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah, with costs rising as the distance to the destination increases. The $50,000 includes delivery and unpacking. A floor plan depicts the interior of a home and can be combined with other modules to create a variety of interior designs. It's fully equipped and can be converted into a 375 square foot studio. Despite its small size, the house has a full kitchen with a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher, as well as an eating area built into the counters that run down the walls. Cabinets run the length of the walls, giving storage. Although the kitchen can only seat one person at a time, it has enough space to retain a complete pantry, and a sliding glass barn door to the bathroom saves space. The main living area is completely open, and the bathroom has a glass-enclosed shower and bathtub. The bedroom and living room spaces are separated by a built-in partition and a TV stand. Although the space is limited at only 375 square feet, it appears to be an excellent option for a single person or couple because it is fully equipped. There's no need to go out of your way to get unique furniture that will fit into a tiny area. Hardwood floors and high-end finishes make the area feel as if it were a modest house worth $50,000. It's quite the far cry from what Musk has been familiar with living in, but as mentioned earlier, he's no stranger to worthwhile living at all. The house also fits his personality in a way, arguably. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates about more tech-related news, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Please share your thoughts regarding Musk's boxable home. Would you like to live in it? If you have any questions, please share your thoughts below and don't forget to share in the comments section. Thank you for staying with us.